All right, well, we're going to show you guys how to do a Ski-Doo Gen 5 cover now. This is also a 3/4 cover like on my Matrix. And this one is kind of interesting because I believe you can like unfold it from the handlebars and actually drive the sled for loading and unloading. So that's cool because you could put this on without it being on the sled deck, and then you can, or on the trailer, and then you can still just drive it up. So we've got it oriented here so that I think this is the front. And yeah, this is the front. So this should pop on like this. And you can see this one here marked with yellow ones for where the handlebars are. Okay, so that goes on like that. This will come down over the front here. And I believe, stretch this over the back. Something's not working here. So this, I believe, goes around the spindle here. Like that. I'll do this side. Oh, I think we have to undo these. This should go down. Where's the other clip? Uh-oh. There it is. This goes around this spindle. Now, I believe this just clips here and right. This clips on like that. This one clips on like that. And this one, oh yeah, these ones here, they clip onto the running boards like that. And I believe this one clips on just like that. Now we can snug this up somehow. Oh, it's Velcroed on. There we go. This is my first time putting one of these on in the shop, guys. I did it before on my other buddy's sled. And we put these ones on here, here, and then I know that one's twisted, but that's okay. I think that's it. So this is how it goes. It might have to go back a little more. I'm not sure. You guys can see there's the footprint marks there. So when you want to use this sled cover to ride the sled on and off, you just undo these clips. And this should be Velcro. So you can get this off your handlebars. Now you can get to your pull handle or shot start, stand on the cover, and drive the sled up and down onto your sled deck or trailer. Kind of a neat idea. I wonder if it's a better quality than my Polaris cover. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you put on a Gen 5 3/4 cover. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.